Sustainability goal number 7 is to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Currently, nearly 1 in 5 people in the world, a total of 1.2 billion, are without access to electricity, leaving wood, coal, and charcoal or biomass as their main source of energy. Close to 3 billion people worldwide rely on primitive and inefficient cooking systems. International aid to developing countries in support of clean and renewable energy nearly doubled last century, from 9.9 billion in 2010 to 18.6 billion in 2017. The UN has listed 5 targets for Sustainability Goal 7 for the year 2030. 1. To ensure universal access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services. 2. Increase substantially the share of renewable energy in the global energy mix. 3. Double the global rate of improvement in energy efficiency. 4. Enhance international corporations to facilitate access to clean energy research and technology, including renewable energy, energy efficient and advanced and cleaner fossil fuel technology, and promote investment in energy infrastructure and clean energy technology. And 5. Expand infrastructure and upgrade technology for supplying modern and sustainable energy services for all in developing countries, in particular least developed countries, small island developing states, and landlocked developing countries, in accordance with their respective programs of support. So why should you care? Well, as we sit in our temperature-controlled homes, ask yourself, what is behind the energy you use? Energy accounts for 60% of all greenhouse gas emissions. Last year, the world used 35 billion barrels of oil. Also, the switch to renewables is possible. It's been estimated to cost 29.5 trillion euros for the entire world to switch to renewables. That's only 21% of global wealth. Also, we may as well go ahead and switch now. It's been estimated we're going to run out of oil and gas in the next 50 years and coal in the next century. Thomas Edison picked the sun, so you should too. The public sector is doing their share to help improve access to clean and renewable energy. Canada, alongside the UNDP, worked to build resilience and energy dependence by introducing solar panels in Cabo Verde, Somalia, Niger, and Sudan. In 2013, President Obama passed the Power Africa initiative, which aimed to provide energy access to 60 million homes and businesses. President Obama also donated $500 million to the Green Climate Fund during his last week in office. The UNDP has also worked to empower island communities. In Suriname, indigenous communities were supplied with solar panels, which will help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 25 tons annually. In Samoa, a biomass plant, which will be powered by invasive species and raw materials, will lead to an increase in those accessible to clean energy. In 2015, the World Bank created the Scaling Solar Program that partners investors with African nations looking to go green, but are often seen as risky investments. The private sector is also doing its part. USAID has partnered with hundreds of corporations to raise over $54 billion for projects such as Power Africa and other projects which work to bring affordable, sustainable, and reliable power to all. A few companies, such as the International Finance Corporation, has invested more than $450 million to privately sponsored hydro, wind, and solar projects in Chile, offsetting over 1.7 million tons of CO2. Off-Grid Electric, the world's first massively scalable distributed energy company, is working to provide energy directly to households and companies in Africa. They are able to provide energy to households at a rate of 10,000 new households per month. It also provides solar energy to businesses in Tanzania through a full suite of solar appliances aimed at helping local entrepreneurs. Many other companies in the private sector are helping to contribute to provide energy in developing countries. Portland, Oregon-based battery company ESS announced that it has partnered with USAID, being the program's first flow battery partner. As part of this partnership, the company said it is committed to deploying its long-duration energy storage solutions for microgrid and utility-scale projects throughout Africa. Sam Goldman and Ned Tozum of D-Light Design hope to solve the problem of access to clean and reliable energy with its portable solar lamp, which range in price from $7 to $40 and can provide up to 12 hours of light. Other individuals have made tremendous efforts, such as Akon, who co-founded Lighting Africa alongside Samba Bathley, which aims to install solar streetlights and small energy systems. The project has already provided electricity in 14 African countries as of 2015, claiming to have brought clean electricity to over 1 million households. Not everyone is going to be able to make as significant of an impact as these individuals, but that's okay. There are things you can do to help. First, stay informed about best company and individual practices to support the Sustainable Development Goals. Next, speak up and ask your company and government to engage in these initiatives. Consider volunteering for organizations whose goals you feel most passionate about. There are also many things you can do around your home to improve energy efficiency. If you want to find out more, visit the UN's website.